today, guys. This is Elliot with the Bow family, and we have another awesome dish for you. It's called Ackee and Saltfish, a Jamaican dish, a very popular one, a very tasty one. What we have here today is the Ackee. Okay, we have the Ackee, we have the saltfish. It's very important that when you guys cook this saltfish, that you boil it 3 times because it's very, very salty. And you want to leave a little bit of salt in it so that it can season the pot naturally. And then you have here onions, fresh onions chopped up. I like to do them long ways like this, right? And then we have some green onion and we have some tomatoes here, all right? And we're gonna go through the whole process. I'm gonna let you guys know what seasonings we need in there as well. So let's get this process started. Okay guys, so we have everything set up. The pot is ready, it's nice and hot. And so the first thing we're gonna do here, I have some garlic, okay? I'll throw that. I forgot to tell you guys at the beginning, but you actually need a little bit of garlic. I use a little bit of garlic in there, 2 pieces of garlic. I use the onions, okay? Okay, there goes the green peppers. There goes the green onion. There goes the tomato. It all goes in there. All right. And what I like to do, I like to put it on medium high, and the reason why I really cook the vegetables and all the seasonings first is so it can really fuse inside of that oil, and it can flavor the oil, and it can release and get those flavors combined really well, so that when the other stuff gets in there, it's going to take the flavor very well. So this process is very, very important. So what I'm going to do is get the cover now, and I'm gonna let that go for about 5 to 10 minutes. While the seasonings and the vegetables are cooking, guys, as you can see here, I'm preparing my dumpling. Okay, we like a little corn in there, and then we have some potato in there. Okay guys, so we had it in there for 5 minutes, depending on how you like your veggies, the texture and the crunch you like on it. You can leave it in there a little bit longer or not, right? So it looks pretty soft after about 5 to 6 minutes. Again, you can leave it in there for 10 if you want, and then it makes it a little bit softer. But it looks super delicious. Now we're gonna add some seasoning here. We got some black pepper, okay? Light, okay? And we got some complete seasoning, okay? Throw that in there. And get that real season, nice. And then I like the creole seasoning. Oh man, let me get some of that in there. All right. Then we just saute that. And guys, I think it is time to put the saltfish. Okay, now that we got all of that in, saltfish goes in. And we're gonna let that cook. We'll let that cook for about another 5 minutes. Then we're gonna throw in the Ackee last, guys. Ackee last. And then when we put the Ackee on, you want to make sure that heat is not so high, not as high as it is now. It's about on a 4 right now, 4, 5, 4.5. But we're gonna let this cook and simmer, and we're gonna let that saltfish take the flavor. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. We put it on 2. All right. And so everything is pretty much ready to go. So what we're gonna do here is add our Ackee. Now I lowered it. We got 3 cans of Ackee. Okay. And you don't want to break the Ackee up, so we're gonna do this real gently, gingerly. Okay. and then we're gonna cover the pot. Okay, I like to go from the bottom to the top. And then I'm gonna throw a little bit more black pepper. Okay. A little bit more black pepper over the top. Mix it up a little bit, then we're gonna put the cap back on. Then it's good to go. All right guys, here we go. We have the ackee and saltfish. We left it on the stove for 5 minutes after we put it in the ackee on low. And there you go. There it is, guys. Wow, it looks delicious. It's ready to eat. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And whatever other dishes you guys want to see, just let us know. See ya. It's the Bo family.